Have you ever wondered how orange juice is made? Today we are taking you to a factory where you will not believe the ability of the machines. Here is the incredible factory that turns oranges into fresh and delicious juice in seconds. Orange juice production is a much more surprising and technological process than you might think. Thousands of oranges that arrive at the factory are first cleaned in giant automatic washing machines. But the real magic begins after this. Millions of oranges are quickly moving towards special machines equipped with laser-controlled sensors. Have you ever seen how corn is made? Today, you have such technology that you will not believe how those corn kernels inside the cans are so flawless. Here is the fastest and smartest corn production machine in the world. As soon as you step into the factory, you will feel like you are in a science fiction movie. These giant machines process the corn at magical speed. First, the machines catch millions of corn cobs flowing on giant belts and separate them into individual kernels with special knives. But be careful. These are not ordinary knives. They are ultra-sharp knives that work with laser cutting precision. Are you ready for the fast journey of frozen French fries in the factory? First, carefully selected potatoes are quickly separated from their skins by machines and washed with high-pressure water. Then, the cutting machines come into play and the potatoes are turned into perfect slices of equal length in seconds. The sliced potatoes are put through boiling water and subjected to a pre-frying process, gaining a crispy appearance. In the last step, they are instantly frozen in shock tunnels and are ready to be packaged in seconds. Are you ready to witness the incredible production of canned meat in the factory? The process begins with the rapid grinding of selected high-quality meat in giant mincing machines. Then, special machines slice the meat in seconds and send it to the pre-cooking boilers. Here, the meat is cooked until it reaches the ideal consistency and then quickly filled into cans with automatic filling machines. Finally, the cans are sealed and passed through sterilization tunnels, and the meat is canned in a way that will keep it fresh for a long time. Let's take a look at the amazing production of pickles in the factory. When fresh cucumbers arrive at the factory, they are first washed and cleaned by fast machines. Then, they are cut into perfect slices by automatic slicers in seconds. Special pickle juices prepared in giant cauldrons are quickly added to the cucumbers that are immediately filled into jars. After the jars are sealed airtight, they are quickly put through the pasteurization line to make them long-lasting. That's it. The crispy pickles you buy from the markets go through such a fast and automatic process in the factory. You've never seen the almond milk production process like this. Almonds arriving at the factory are instantly ground into fine powder using powerful grinders. Then, they are mixed with water in special tanks to reach a smooth consistency. The mixture is then passed through delicate filtering machines to completely remove any sediment. In the final stage, the liquid is filled into cans with ultra-fast filling machines and sealed within seconds. Here is how those healthy almond milk cans you see on the market shelves are produced. Welcome to the fast and surprising world of canned tomato production. Tomatoes picked from the fields are quickly washed as soon as they arrive at the factory and peeled in special steam machines in a short time. Peeled tomatoes are chopped in automatic chopping machines in seconds or left whole. Then, tomatoes are transferred to cans with fast-filling machines, sealed with special machines without letting in air and passed through a high-temperature sterilization line. The result? The delicious canned tomatoes that we see in the markets that maintain their freshness for a long time are the work of these machines. Get ready to witness the fast and incredible production of gum in the factory. Everything starts with the preparation of gum paste in giant mixers. The gum paste is kneaded in special machines in seconds and brought to the ideal consistency. Then, it is thinned in giant cylinders and shaped into regular strips. Automatic cutters turn these strips into thousands of small gum pieces in a single second. Then, it is wrapped with fast and precise packaging machines and filled into boxes. Get ready to see how hot sauces are produced in the factory. As soon as the peppers arrive at the factory, they are sent to giant blenders and crushed to a perfect consistency in seconds. Then, they are mixed with spices and sauces in special cooking tanks and cooked. This mixture is quickly transferred to bottles by automatic filling machines. Finally, the bottles are sealed airtight and passed through sterilization tunnels to ensure they remain fresh for a long time. Have you ever seen how energy bars are made? Here is the exciting journey of these energy-giving snacks in the factory. As soon as nuts, oats, and dried fruits arrive at the factory, they are sent to giant mixers and mixed in seconds. Then, with special shaping machines, they are spread on the conveyor as a smooth mixture. High-speed cutters turn this mixture into perfectly sized energy bars. In the final stage, the bars are packaged in seconds and ready to be consumed. Here is the miracle of fast production behind the energy-filled snacks you see on the market shelves.